In today's video, I'm going to show you data validation in Google Sheets Mobile using your iPhone. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to do some data validation, unfortunately, that's not available with the Google Sheets app on the iPhone. On the Android, there are some data validation options that you can do, but again, these are limited. So a workaround this would be to open Google Sheets in the Google Chrome app. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's open our Google Chrome. Here we have it. Just tap on the search bar and type in sheets.new. Once that has loaded, it will show you something like this. Now, this is not what we need to see. And to change that, what we're going to do is to tap on the bottom right corner, swipe up until you see the option Request Desktop Site. If you tap on that, it will now reload into the interface that we are familiar with. So before you do all this, make sure that you are logged in into your Google account so that all your data would be synced up with your Google Drive, and that would include your Google Sheets files. So what I'm going to do to go back to the file that I am working on in the Google Sheets app is to tap on that Google Sheets icon right here at the top left corner. Once you tap on it, it will reload and take you to this page right here. So the name of the file would be Movies List. I'm just going to tap on it. It's the one at the top. And there we have it. So now we can edit this the same way we would be doing it if we were working on it on a Mac or a computer, a desktop. But unfortunately, this can also get glitchy. So it's not really as recommended to work on your spreadsheet with Google Sheets on the Google Chrome app. This is just a workaround that we can do, especially because, again, we are working on a spreadsheet on a mobile phone and data validation is not available with the app. So what I want to do here, or the data validation that I want to do here, would be to turn this genre column into a dropdown. So these are the different genres that we have for the movie titles on the left side. So what I'm going to do would be to select them like so. So again, this will be tricky. Just make sure that you have selected all of your data. There we have it. I have selected the entire data on that column. Now, what I'm going to do is to tap on Data on the menu bar. There you go. And select Data Validation. So we have the data validation rules on the right side. And I'm just going to tap on Add Rule. It has zoomed in a little on our data, but that's okay because the criteria that it has suggested would be a dropdown, which is what we actually need. So once that has been selected, it has actually applied that rule to our data. There you have it. So it has already added that rule to our data where it has turned that column into a dropdown with all of the movie genres right here. So now if we exit this and go back to the Sheets app, so now I'm back to the Sheets app and it has updated our column with that data validation with the criteria of a dropdown. So now we can just select which genre that movie belongs to. And there you have it. That's how we can do data validation using our mobile phone here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.